And the next one is according to your house layout. For example, if you want to use in your home, or in your factories, then you will have some home loads. For example, your home load have a 100-watt refrigerator and 1 pieces 1 HP air conditioner and 5 pieces 10-watt LED light. As we all know, the refrigerator and the air conditioner are the inductive home loads, and it needs the start power. The start power is usually needed 3 to 10 times. So we will recommend you to use the 4 kilowatt solar inverter system. After the calculation, the refrigerator and the air conditioner and the light is suitable to use the 4 kilowatt solar power system. If you have more home load, or if you don't know how to choose how to calculate, you can free to show us about your home load. Then we will calculate the suitable solar power system for you.